Okay, our next ingredient is an onion. I'm going to use half an onion. We're going to take the bottom out of the onion. I'm going to take the top out of the onion. And this onion is a little dirty, so we're going to peel the outer membranes. And give it a little wash. Then I'm going to slice the onion the long way. Not too thinly, because we don't want our onion to disintegrate in the stew. This is much different than a stir fry, where the onion is going to add a lot of flavor and texture to the stew. And we don't want it to just turn to mush. So we're going to do that. Cut it crosswise once. And then I like to break it up a little bit. So we get that nice sweetness from the onion to go into our stew. Then we can just take the onion and throw it straight into the pot, which is right over here. And we're ready for our next ingredient.